So I'm going to take you through the steps to do once you receive your VITO oil filtration unit in your kitchen. And what I'm going to do is run you through the parts that will be in your box. So we've opened the box and here are the parts that are inside. This is the hook and this is the adjustable bracket. You have the VITO housing unit, you have the VITO motor, and you have the VITO drip tray. Also included in the box is our paperwork. First of all, you'll have the 12-month extension warranty form, which just requires filling in and returning to us on the details below. You have your shortening instructions, which are placed near the fryer so that everyone can see with pictures on what to do. Next you have your HACCP monitoring form, and then you've got the instruction manual. Also included in the package is the VITO filter papers. The VITO oil tester comes in its own safety box and storage container, which is where it's stored before and after use. So this is how you fit the bracket. Simply unscrew the 4 screws with an Allen key. Place the bracket on the back with the archway folded up. Simply reinsert the screws. The bracket is quite simply fitted together with 2 easy parts, and it's used for larger fryers so it can support the VITO across the whole span of the tank. It's quite simply fitted like this. Tightened up accordingly, and the arms are adjusted to the size of the fryer. So this is how we use the VITO oil tester. You'll notice on the needle we have a minimum and maximum mark. This is the depth of the oil, so it needs to be in between the minimum and the maximum. So push the on button, 3 seconds, let go. Zeros come up on the screen, now ready to use. So I place the tester into the fryer, quite simply like that, no greater than the maximum depth. The screen starts flashing. At the moment green is good, and it works on a simple traffic light system, green, amber and red. You don't change the oil until the tester shows red. So this has taken the reading already. Press the hold button, goes back to 0, and repeat the process in the next fryer. Backlight is green, oil's good. That's the exacting temperature of the oil, and that's the degradation of the oil. So I now take the readings and I transfer these onto our HACCP documentation. So you simply fill in the day, time, TPM, temperature. Am I changing the oil in the fryer? Yes or no? If no, how much am I topping up by? Oil filtered? Yes, and a simple signature. So now we're going to fit the filter paper. Quite simple. 2 ends. In one, bring it across, push it down, complete. Done. Once you've fitted the filter unit, you simply place the housing motor on top, simply tighten both sides up, and then you're ready to plug it in and go in the fryer. So we put the arms in the bracket, and we're now going to adjust it to the size of our fryer, like so. So you place the VITO in the fryer using the 2 black handles, and you lift the VITO until the hook sits over the brace bracket supplied, and then press start. So once the VITO has done its 3 to 5 minute cycle, you simply remove it from one fryer, allow VITO to drain for around 20 seconds, and then lift into the next fryer. So we finished filtering all 4 fryers with the same filter paper. All we're going to do now is take the VITO out, allow VITO to drain for 20 seconds before putting into the drip tray. Once in drip tray, unplug from the mains, fold up the cable, and then you carry it again from the 2 black handles to a safe place in the kitchen to allow the motor to cool down, and any excess oil within the machine will drain into the drip tray, which will simply get poured back into the fryer. So we've taken the head of our VITO off. We're now going to empty the filter, and we're going to show you how to wash the VITO. Quite simply, so the VITO has removed all the fine particles from your oil, keeping it nice and clean and purified. You now put the unit to soak in water. Take the VITO out of the water, place in dishwashing basket, take the drip tray out of the water, also put that in the basket, and then just wash in the dishwasher for a few minutes. Now the machine has been cleaned, we simply refit the filter paper, refit the machine, put in a safe place, ready to use for the next time.